Hi, this is Kevin from the Local Tech, and today I'm going to show you a quick Windows tip. This will work in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The tip I'm going to share with you is how to add an emoji to an email. I'm going to be using the native mail client to Windows 11, but this will also work in, say, Gmail or Outlook's web version of the email client. Here, I have an email written saying congratulations to a coworker. I'm congratulating them on their promotion. So to get an emoji in this email, I'm going to press Windows key, period key on my keyboard, and I'm going to start typing the word congratulations. And it's going to return any emojis related to congratulations. You'll see a champagne bottle, a party popper, or a confetti ball. I'm going to go with the party popper. Every time you click it, you'll see it add to the email. So click it twice, it'll add it twice. I'm done. I'm going to press the X button. There you can see my emojis. If you don't know what the Windows key looks like on your keyboard, let me show you with the Windows on-screen keyboard. Your Windows key is the key in between your Control and your Alt keys. You'll want to press your Windows key and your period key at the same time. That wasn't fast enough. Press your Windows key and your period key at the same time, and then you will see your emoji window pop up. Thanks. That concludes my Windows tip for the day. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and or subscribe to the video. If you do both, that'd be even better. Thank you.